Don't go to Hanoi in Vietnam before I'll tell you the 5 things you should know before you go. You will probably walk a lot in Hanoi, and you will probably also welcome a good massage, as did I. Luckily, I have really good news for you because I found the best massage place in Hanoi and maybe even in Southeast Asia, because I've tried a lot of them and this one was really good. And it even gets better than this, because this place is led by people who are in the field of social entrepreneurship. Blind people are trained here to give professional massages. That means you don't only get an amazing massage, but you also contribute towards this good cause of giving people a way to live a more independent life and make a living for themselves, which I find amazing. Now, I could go on telling you all about this place and how amazed I am by it, but I'm just gonna link their website down below so you can check it out yourself. But honestly, if you want a really good massage, just head over there, give it a try. I promise you, you're not gonna be disappointed. Vietnamese coffee is delicious, but the caffeine is hidden below this sweet condensed milk. In fact, I learned it the hard way by getting a much faster heartbeat than usual. Apparently, 1 Vietnamese coffee equals 4 espresso shots. Some sources also say 2 espresso shots, but either way, it's a lot and it's potentially more than you're used to. So start it slow with the Vietnamese coffee, even if it's delicious and a hard thing to do. If you can, try to stay in the old quarter of Hanoi, which is known for its bustling streets and really fun vibe. Staying in the old quarter is really for those people who want to have an easy access to it all, to street food, historical sites, markets, and everything in between. And the old quarter is really the place that screams Hanoi loud and proud. So if you are there already, you might as well join the fun and stay there. My preferred way of commuting in Hanoi is really by walking, because it allows you to stumble across these little alleyways or some cafes that you wouldn't necessarily plan to go to. And Hanoi is really all about that discovery. But also Hanoi is hot and humid. So if you prefer to get to your destination in a cool, air-conditioned way, just call a Grab. And Grab is basically the competitor of Uber in Southeast Asia and works in the same way. It is clean, efficient, and gets you from A to B in a very safe way. I have traveled to Hanoi during the low season, what is also considered the rainy season. But for me, I've only seen benefits in that. First of all, the hotel prices are a little bit cheaper. Secondly, and more importantly for me, it is less crowded with billions of tourists around you, which gives you the opportunity to really get a glimpse of the local culture that way. Also, during my time in Hanoi, it has only rained once, and I personally really enjoyed that tropical rain experience. But I also had the prep done for it. For example, I always had an umbrella with me in my backpack. Now, that is to say that you can totally travel to Hanoi in low season while you have the prep done for yourself, like having raincoats or umbrellas, etc. There's no reason to avoid the season only because of the rain. These were the 5 things you should know before you go to Hanoi. Thank you so much for watching this video, but I also have a full Hanoi travel guide with the best things to do, see and try. If you're interested in that, you can now jump over to that video and I'll see you there.